Since the clockwise animation effect was removed in CapCut, most creators think you need expensive software to make animated countdown timers. But in this video, I will show you how to create this exact timer entirely inside CapCut using simple tools that anyone can use. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is to open CapCut. Now we are going to add a shape to our timeline, and the shape we are going to be using is the cycle shape. After adding the shape, drag it to make it 10 seconds. Now we are going to modify this shape to exactly what we need. Go to the top right of your screen and increase the scale size to about 250%. Then scroll down a bit and turn off the fill. After that, go to the stroke and toggle it on. And now increase the weight of the cycle to about 15. Next is to add any color of your choice to make it look cool. Now we are going to create a compound clip of this cycle shape. And after creating a compound clip, we are going to duplicate the clip by copying and pasting them and making sure they are placed on top of each other. Now we are going to make adjustments on the top layer. So click on the top clip to make sure it is selected, and then double click the clip to open the compound clip. What we are going to do now is to duplicate this vector shape and placing them on top of each other. And in the upper vector shape, we are going to modify it by going to the top right and changing the color from this new color to a complete solid black color, and then increase the weight of it to about 17. Next is to click out of this compound clip we just modified. Now, instead of animating our lower layer clip, we are going to animate our black blocker ring to reveal the neo ring underneath it, which is this top layer. So select the top black ring layer, go to the right and click on the mask tab, and then click on add a mask, and then select the split mask. Now you can see both the black ring layer and the lower neon color layer is being shared into half. Next is to use this little cycle arrow over here to rotate it to the opposite direction. Then drag the line from this place to the top so that the black covers almost everywhere on the screen except this little top part here, which is very little. When that is done, go back to the mask settings and scroll down, because now we are going to add a keyframe to make sure our ring countdown timer rotates. But before we add that keyframe, make sure your playhead is placed at the beginning of the clip. Now go and select this diamond shape button on rotation. Now, as you can see, a keyframe have been added to the beginning of the clip. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip and go back again to the rotation axis and set it to 360 degrees. And automatically a second keyframe will be added to the end of the clip. And if we play it now, it is going to look just like this. But we are not done yet. We need to add numbers to the center of our ring. So to do that, head over to ChatGPT and run this command. The command is create an SRT file for a 10 seconds countdown. After the code is created, copy and paste it into a notepad. And then on the notepad, go to File and go to save as. Then type in any random word with .srot at the end to rename the file. Then in this place where you choose the type of file that you want to save, set it to all type file and click save when you are done. Now go back to CapCut and go to the top left and select text and go down to where you see local captions. Click on it and go ahead to import the SROT file you just created. After that, drag the file on top of these other clips. Now we are going to modify our number 1 to 10 into the center of our ring. The fun part is that they are all connected, so you just need to modify one number, increase the size, change the font, and even adjust the color. Place it to the center, and automatically other numbers in the countdown will change too. When that is done, you can leave everything like this if you want, but we are going to add a second effect to this clip to make it look more professional. Go back to the top left again, go to audio and search for countdown timer. I am going to be using this particular sound effect here. Drag it into your timeline and trim the first part of the first beep. Then place it at the beginning of the clip. Copy and paste it to all other numbers in the clip except for the last number. When you get to this last number, which is the number 1, go back to the sound effect again and drag that particular sound effect to the timeline. But this time around, we are just going to be needing the ending part of the sound. So crop it and paste it to the last end of our clip, which is number 1. When that is done, now if we play our countdown timer video, it is going to look and sound exactly just like this. Very nice, right? Yeah, it is very nice. Now that you have learned how to create a countdown timer, the next step is to making it look more even professional with our motion, graphics and animation effects. Check out my next CapCut tutorial showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.